वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का ये वीडियो इंस्टाग्राम पे हुआ है। जनवरी से लेकर अप्रैल तक टोटल 6 जो कॉन्टेस्ट हुआ था। जो लोग कंसिस्टेंसी रखकर हर एक कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं उनका थोड़ा बहुत इंटरव्यू हुआ था, वही आज का वीडियो है। आप सब उनका इंटरव्यू देखिए।
Hi, I'm Priyanshi and I'm a 19 years old girl from Haryana and my Instagram ID is artinsightme09. My first question is what motivated me to participate in all the contests. So I started my Instagram in September I guess, and I was just participating in many contests, and this was one of them. And the most eye-catching thing that made me participate in this competition was the title that she was giving and providing us. It was really a unique idea. I don't know how much I improved because of many reasons. As the time I was new and after a long break I was starting, but it was very strange with me. Like in starting I was getting third, second positions, but later on it started increasing and as the competition was going tough. But yeah, I learned a lot through this process and it was really good with me. That last one contest was the most challenging part for me because at that time I had to give my college entrance exam and had to prepare all the documents and all. So I didn't have time and I was about to give up, but I tried to give it a try in just 3-4 hours, and it was my worst artwork ever. But I got 10th position. That was definitely not satisfying for me. But yeah, according to my artwork, it is fine with me. Not that much difficult as I'm a dropout student who was preparing for exams, so I was not that kind of busy that person. But in starting, it was fine with me. Later on, as my exam came nearby, it was tough as I had to prepare everything for my exam also. But I didn't give up. I think not to give up because I don't want to give up. I want to be consistent. I want to do my hard work. I want to show it and do the creating. I do a lot of research before starting my artwork. Whenever I host or any contest, the forms came out and themes came out. So first I research about that theme I want to make and I collect references and create one unique piece from many different art forms or maybe many different references. But in that last one contest, my one artwork, it was like 3-4 participants create the same artwork as I did because I just copied the reference to collect time issue, and I was really very disappointed with my artwork because that was not my style. I used to collect many references and had to create one artwork. I prefer search before starting it, so I did very research. Honestly, I don't know if I deserved it or not, but I was consistent and gave my best, and I had great performance too. I had like 3 victories in top 3 and 2 were not. Total 5 contests were there, but with me, few of more contestants are selected for this title, so I don't think I singly alone belong this title because they were consistent throughout the contest also. So I think they are also similarly equally deserved the title along with me, but I don't know I deserved it alone or not. I will not say I deserved it alone. I will say I deserved it with everyone who was consistent throughout the contest. Nothing else. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanshi, nicely saying all this.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Monisha from Chennai. Along with my profession, I have a deep passion for art. I'm really grateful for this chance to express my journey. Thank you. Motivate me to participate in all the contests is my passion for learning and improvement. Each contest pushed me to improve my skill and try new ideas. Yes, from my first contest to the latest one, I can clearly see the improvement in my art. I even tried different mediums like acrylic, poster color, watercolor and charcoal, which helped me. Last few contests were the most challenging for me because the level of competition was high and the theme required more creativity and need. I stay consistent in my art journey by staying patient with myself and trusting the process. Sometimes it's very difficult to balance everything, but I try to manage my time. Before starting my artwork, my creative process begins with the understanding the theme. I usually look for the reference pictures to get better clarity, and then I visualize how I wanted the final artwork. And I feel grateful to be the part of this contest among such talented participants. I'm not sure if I deserve it, but I have given my best. For me, learning and going through this experience is always very special.
Thank you, Dr. Monisha.
लास्ट ईयर के एंड से ऑलमोस्ट पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं आर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन में, और पहले तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया, उसको देखा देखी फिर मेरा भी किया कि मैं भी मैंने प्रॉपर कहीं से आर्ट सीखा नहीं है, बस ये गॉड गिफ्ट है जो भी मैं कर लेती हूँ इसका। और कोई ऐसा मैं इसमें नहीं है कि कोई कॉन्टेस्ट में वो चैलेंज नहीं हुआ अभी तक, क्योंकि मैं जो मतलब मेरा ज़्यादा कॉन्सिस्टेंट होने का ताल्लुक है अपनी आर्ट में, उसमें ये बार चैलेंज ठीक है अंदर, लेकिन कोई बात पॉलिश नहीं होती कि कुछ फैसिलिटीज थी कि मैं अपनी प्रॉपर एडमिशन ले सकती हूँ। जहाँ तक स्पेशल टाइटल का है ताल्लुक, उसमें मैंने तो यहाँ तक भी सोचा था कि मैं यहाँ तक आ सकती है प्रॉपर 4 मंथ 6 मंथ से पार्टिसिपेट करूँ, आगे का तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है, लेकिन जहाँ तक मेरे बेटे का ताल्लुक है उसका मैंने
थैंक यू सो मच सुधर। इस टाइटल को पाने के लिए 2 बच्चे भी सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, उनमें से एक ये है। क्वेश्चन का आंसर ना देने की वजह से इसका वॉइस नहीं आया, बट थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
I'm 6 years old. Doing artwork is my favorite because I enjoy drawing. There was not any contact difficult for me because Mama helps me. My Mama inspires me much. I like to draw pets. Drawing helps me make